After you've connected to your Shark AI robot, it will request to do an explore run so it can map your home properly. Before you let the robot do an explore run, you'll want to make sure all doors are open so it can learn each room. Clear any obstacles that might obstruct the robot's path. As the Shark AI robot explores your home, note that this explore run is different from how your robot will travel as it cleans. You'll notice that the Shark AI robot travels to the center of each room. It then does a full scan of the room to learn where walls are, where doors are, and how your furniture is arranged. Then it travels to the next room and repeats this process. As soon as the Shark AI robot has completed its explore run, it will return to its dock, also known as a base. In just a short while, it will generate a map of your home and present this on your SharkClean app with a special icon that shows you where the robot's base is located. Once you see the map, confirm this is an accurate representation of your home. If you find anything inaccurate about the map, simply go to Map, located in the menu bar, and restart the Explore run. Now that your map is completed, you can start labeling each room. Press the plus button, and you'll see a simple box appear on your map. Simply touch and drag the corners to change its size and orientation. You can also pinch to zoom in for even more detail. Now touch the center of the box and drag it over the area that represents the room you want to label. Once positioned over that room, press the text button and type in the name of that room or area. Repeat the step for each room and area in your home. Once complete, you can now access the features that make your Shark AI robot so unique to your home. You can choose to ultra clean a room or high traffic zones, or to set up for a spot clean where a mess just occurred. If you need extra support with any of the features or the product, please check out the support section in the SharkClean app. And if you're looking for more cleaning tips, please visit us at SharkClean.com.